Next, we're going to learn how to transfer money from Palmpay to bank account. How to transfer money from Palmpay to bank account. Now, on the home page, you can see we have money transfer to bank, to Palmpay, and withdraw. So I select to bank. Then when I select to bank, we can to other banks or limited free transfer. That's one of the great things about Palmpay. Now, all bank transfers are free. You enter the account number of the bank you want to transfer to. Let's say, for example, I'm not going to put in a real account number. We select the bank from those that are shown from the lists, and then you select next. So when you select next, let's say I want to give it to GT Bank. So select next. But this is normally, if you've put in a valid bank account number, it will take you to the next level where you input the amounts and your password and it goes through. So that is how to transfer money from Palmpay to the bank. You can also use the USSD code, which is *955# and follow the prompt. Simple.